So now after the action has been created, we need to create the roles. So now let's understand what roles in fact is. So roles basically are categories or groups that you can assign to users. They define what users can or cannot do within your application or system. For example, you might have roles like admin, editor, and viewer, each with different level of access and permission. So now in order to create the roles, we need to first of all select the environment, then the project. So let's say it's RBAC test, and then we need to go on to create the roles. So here, let's say my role is like editor role. So I'm putting like editor role. So this is admin and read action. These are all pre-populated. So these actions are pre-populated because it is linked to the action or authorization you have previously defined. So an action specifies a particular task or operation within the project. Right. So now we have learned that creation of action in the previous video itself, in the last step. So now again the attributes. So attributes is like are additional characteristics or properties that you can associate with a role. These attributes can be used to further customize the role's behavior or permission. Whether or not you need to specify attribute depends on your project's requirement. So, for instance, let's say you have an e-commerce application and you might create roles like customer and merchant. So the action could include make purchase and make, manage product. Now you could use attribute to define specific settings for these roles. For the customer role, you might specify an attribute like discounting percentage, and for the merchant, you may could what do they make an attribute related to inventory access. So here, let's say I'm just making document drafting. So this is how you keep on adding the attributes and actions. So this is the create role section. So this is how the roles are created in Cripsa, and you just need to go and click the last step is like kind of forgot it, so it's like creation of okay, define the action, and then click on the create role, and you can see the role has been added successfully. So this is how the roles are created. Thank you.